Hi YouTube, welcome back to Jashi. Today with something completely different. A couple of months ago I decided to leave my job at Lamborghini, I'm still transitioning out of them by the way, to pursue entrepreneurship in real estate, sustainable real estate, YouTube, social media and much more. And that's why I'm launching the first episode of a new series called From Wrecks to Riches, where I'm gonna start from today with my current net worth and my current passive incomes and document every single month where I'm getting, what I'm doing, and my whole updates throughout the whole year, where my main goal is to become completely financially independent and self-sustainable through my businesses. So let's get to it. We're gonna start with where I'm right now after 4 years of doing my 9 to 5, having a couple of side gigs and flipping stuff. My number one holding is real estate, where I own one rental property that is worth $180,000 and is making me around $250 after expenses and loan in net income. On top of that, I also have a duplex that is worth $80,000 that is making me an extra $666 every single month. I also consider this one real estate. I own a Fundrise account, which is a passive income platform that invests 100% in real estate, and I have $32,000 invested into it. Now, to make it as truthful as possible, we also have to subtract $69,000 of loan that I have on my first rental property, which nets to a total equity, so total assets minus liabilities of $223,000 in real estate. Now switching to my stock portfolio, I own two accounts, one of $4,000, the other one of $13,000, that together net me around $30 in dividends every single month. Now together they total 17 grand in total asset value. You all know that I love crypto. I'm not gonna put in all my crypto holdings. I will just talk about my stablecoin staking account, where I own $7,000 that net me around $58 every single month out of stake. We're gonna consider this one as I talk so much about it. I have $1,000 invested into AI marketing that currently is netting me $750 every single month. Now to conclude, the most important one, which will enable me to survive for at least a year, my cash reserves. I own around $45,000 in super liquid assets or straight cash that I will mostly use to sustain my life and throughout this whole journey to financial freedom. Because I understand that in the first couple of months I will be burning more money, especially because I'm gonna invest it, than actually make it. So if we put all together, we reach a net worth of $293,000. If we include also the liabilities, so all assets minus liabilities, meaning the loan, and net passive income of $1,861. Now let's start with expenses. My number one expense will be rent, which is $500. I know it's not a lot, I have a good arrangement, I live in a room, I don't have a whole apartment, but I still have good privacy. Number two will be my health insurance. As I'm young, I found some, let's say, offers. I will transition from the health insurance of my company to one that I will have to pay by my own. And I found one for $250 a month. The next expense will be my car insurance. Now keep in mind, as I drive a very old car that is also considered collectible and I don't drive a lot, I was able to get a special car insurance. I don't want to get too much into detail with that. They cost me around $150 a year, which is nothing, I know. Of course, we have a food expense. I cook by myself most of what I eat, so it won't be as expensive as many other budgets, but I still like to eat well, so my budget for that is $400 a month. Last but not least, I have a couple of other expenses, phone bills going up here and there, which I don't do as much, which is gonna go to $600 a month. If we put all together, we're around $1,800 of expenses every single month in Northern Virginia, which is, in my opinion, pretty good. So considering my passive income minus my expenses, so $1,861 minus $1,800, I remain with $61 that will, let's say, grow my net worth. Of course, there can be some unexpected expenses and everything, so I think we can balance them out at net zero. So what are my goals? My goal number one is to reach extra income created through YouTube and flipping homes of at least $60,000 every year. I'm very confident that I will surpass that. Goal number two is to at least double my net worth in the next year. My, let's say, less reachable, but I think still possible goal is to reach $1 million of net worth. How am I get there? Well, Number one, I would like to monetize my YouTube channel. I already monetized my TikTok channel and I would like to grow that one too. Number two, I'm getting my real estate license and I would like to use that on one side to help people buy homes, but most of all, for me to get quicker access to the market so I can buy cheaper and start working on homes that I can flip for a profit. Number three, use some of that active income to invest in real estate properties, rental properties that will increase my passive income and help me sustain my lifestyle also passively. Number four, crypto day trading and crypto investing. Number six, find a good team of real estate investors so we can, let's say, multiply our workforce and flip homes or invest in real estate much more efficiently. Hope you enjoyed, hope you will be in this journey together with me, and hope that you can learn through my failures and successes that I will have throughout the next year. If you like this project, please subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, please leave a like so we can show this video to as many people as possible. If you have any questions or any suggestions about passive incomes, new investments that could be included in these series, leave a comment and I'll check it out. Ciao!